Shalom, friends. Rosh Hashanah, the Feast of Trumpets, is a time of new beginnings and new blessings, but is also a time of freedom and destiny. And Hebraic thought it was on this day, Rosh Hashanah, that Joseph was released from the prison to the palace. It was on this day that the harsh servitude of the Israelites in Egypt began to come to an end. Although they were not released till many months later at the Passover, they formally stopped having to serve as slaves on this day. It's a time of new beginnings, of freedom and of destiny. Just like Joseph went from prison to the palace on this day, what God did for him, he wants to do for you. The sound of the shofar is the call of freedom, and he's calling to you right now. In Hebrew, the word for Egypt is Mitzrayim. It means a place of confinement and restriction. God doesn't want you to be put in a box. He wants to break you out of the box. And now is the time to begin to experience that breakthrough in your life. But you have to let go of the old in order to step into the new. We see this secret alluded to in the names that Joseph calls his two sons. The first son is Manasseh, which means I've forgotten the pain of my past. And his second son is Ephraim, double fruitfulness. Friends, until we're willing to forget and release and forgive the pain of our past, we won't be able to fully step into the promise of our future. So friends, what do you need to let go of to receive the fullness of the upgrade and the promise that God has for you in this new season? When you hear the shofar sound, remember, the one whom the Son sets free is free indeed. Shalom, shalom.